Very good Sunday morning. Every morning, you enjoy my daily current affairs video. But today, I just wanna give you gist of those questions. There are too many important questions, and definitely there will be no explanations. Only answers will be given. So, without further delay, let's start our first question. When BIMSTEC Day is celebrated? 5th June, 6th June, 7th June, or 8th June? I think everyone got the answer. The answer is 6th June. Let's move to our next question, please. Which company plans to introduce world's first carbon dioxide neutral cement plant? CNBM, China Resource Cement, Heidelberg Cement, or Lafarge Holcomb Cement? The answer is Heidelberg Cement. Let's move to our next question, please. Who won the International Booker 2021 prize? Stephen Scott, David Diop, Bart Murray, or Douglas Stewart? Please choose your answer. Yes, you are probably correct. The answer is David Diop. Let's move to our next question, please. Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021 for which book? Transformation in Times of Crisis, Radical Can Do, Be a Kick, a Boss Without Losing Your Humanity, The One Thing, The Surprisingly Simple Truth Behind Extraordinary Results, or The Real Business of Blockchain? Yes, the answer is option A. Let's move to our next question, please. Which nation is on way to become largest green railways in world with zero carbon emission? India, Russia, Australia, or Brazil? Yes, probably you have selected the correct answer. That is our India. Let's move to our next question, please. AmbiTag is a unique IoT solution has been launched by which institution? IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, IIT Ropa, or IIT Delhi? Please pick your answer. The answer is IIT Roper. Let's move to our next question, please. Which state government has started Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana? Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, or Goa? Please have your answer. The answer is Rajasthan. Let's move to our next question, please. Which player has been awarded the Kiwi Cricketer of the Year award? Devon Conway, Ken Williamson, Kyle Jameson, Ross Taylor? Please pick your answer. Yes, the answer is option C, Kyle Jameson. Let's move to our next question, please. Who has been appointed as the grievance officer for India by WhatsApp? Paresh B. Lal, John Britus, Rahul Joshi, Sasi S. Bempati? Yes, probably you have picked your right answer. The answer is option A, Paresh B. Lal. Let's move to our next question, please. Bala Subramanian Shyam has been appointed as the Indian ambassador of which nation? Scotland, Greenland, Iceland, or Norway? Probably from your practice, you picked your right answer. The right answer is option C, Iceland. Let's move to our next question, please. Who has been appointed as the first chairman for the newly formed DMCRC by IBF? Nikhil Advani, Mihir Rale, Tigmanshu Dhulia, or Bikramjit Sen? Yes, probably you have picked your right answer. The answer is option D, Bikramjit Sen. Let's move to our next question, please. Dr. Binay K. Nandikudi has been appointed as the director at the CSIR Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Where is the CCMB located? Hyderabad, Pune, Lucknow, or New Delhi? I think you have chosen your right answer. The right answer is option A, Hyderabad. Let's move our next question, please. When World Art Nouveau Day celebrated? Or on which day World Art Nouveau Day celebrated? 8th June, 9th June, 10th June, or 11th June? Definitely you have picked the right answer. Yes, the right answer is option C, 10th June. Let's move to our next question, please. Who is the new election commissioner? Anup Chandra Pandey, Susil Chandra, Subhu Arora, or Achal Kumar Jyoti? I think you got your right answer. The answer is option A, Anup Chandra Pandey. Let's move to our next important question, please. Who among the following billionaires is planning to travel to space in July 2021? Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Bill Gates? Definitely you have picked your right answer. Yes, that's none other than Jeff Bezos. Let's move to our next question, please. State model started by which state government? Kerala government, Odisha government, Punjab government, or West Bengal government? Definitely you have picked your answer. The answer is option B, Odisha government. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which microanimal came back to life after being frozen for 24,000 years in Siberian permafrost? Tardigrades, rotifers, leuciphers, or Mephoragma? Probably you have picked your answer. Yes, the right answer is option B, rotifers. Let's move to our next question, please. When will the first solar eclipse of 2021 take place? 10th June, 15th June, 21st June, or 20th June? I think you got the answer. The answer is option A, 10th June. Let's move to our next important question, please. Abdullah Shahid has been elected as President of the 76th United Nations General Assembly session. He is the Foreign Minister of which nation? Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Maldives, or South Africa? Yes, definitely you have picked your right answer. The answer is option C, Maldives. Let's move to our next important question, please. World Bank has approved how much funding to help boost India's MSME sector? 500 million USD, 450 million USD, 400 million USD, or 300 million USD? Definitely. The answer is 500 million USD. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which state or union territory has launched Jahan Bhot Wahan vaccination campaign? Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, or Rajasthan? Definitely you have picked your right answer. The answer is option B, Delhi. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which among the following nations plans to build an artificial island in its capital city? Switzerland, Sweden, Denmark, or Finland? Yes, you have picked the right answer probably. The right answer is option C, Denmark. Let's move to our next important question, please. Who has become the second highest active international goal scorer? Sunil Chhetri, Ali Mabkhout, Neymar, or Luis Suarez? Yes, probably you have picked the right answer. The right answer is option A, Sunil Chhetri. Let's move to our next question, please. Which is the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender? Belize, El Salvador, Costa Rica, or Honduras? Definitely you have picked your right answer. The answer is option B, El Salvador. Let's move to our next important question, please. Where did India's first refueling CNG unit launched? Delhi and Mumbai, Assam and Bihar, Goa and Gujarat, or Karnataka and Kerala? I think you got your right answer. The answer is option A, Delhi and Mumbai. Let's move to our next question. Which bank slashes India's growth forecast to 8.3% in this fiscal year? Bank of America National Association, Central Bank of India, World Bank, or Industrial and Commercial Bank of China Limited? Probably you got your right answer. The right answer is option C, World Bank. Let's move to our next important question, please. When World Accreditation Day or WAD is celebrated? 9th June, 10th June, 11th June, or 12th June? Definitely you have picked the right answer. Yes, the right answer is option A, 9th June. Let's move to our next question, please. Who takes the charge as DG, Naval Operation? Suraj Singh, Rajesh Pendharkar, Atal Adani, or Sheikh Iqbal? Definitely you have picked your right answer. Yes, the right answer is option B, Rajesh Pendharkar. Let's move to our next important question, please. Where will the India's first international maritime services cluster set up? Visakhapatnam, Goa, Mumbai, or GIFT city? Definitely you have picked your right answer. The right answer is option D, Gift City. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which armed force wing inducted light helicopters ALH Mk3? Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, or Indian Police Force? Definitely you picked the right answer, I think. So the right answer is option B, Indian Navy. Let's move to our next question, please. Which state announced creating Oxyvan project? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, or Haryana? The right answer is option D, Haryana. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which state announced Pranvayu Devta pension scheme? Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or Madhya Pradesh? Definitely you have picked your answer. The right answer is option A, Haryana. Let's move to our next important question, please. RBI approved whom to be reappointed as the MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank? Arun Roy, Sekhar Malhotra, Chandrasekhar Ghosh, or Arun Kumar Pandey? Definitely you have picked your right answer. Yes, the right answer is option C, Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Let's move to our next important question, please. How many Indian universities included among top 400 list by the QS World University Ranking 2022? 5, 8, 11, or 13? Pick your answer, please. The right answer is option B, 8. So, 8 universities included in that list. Let's move to our next question, please. Interpol launched which project to identify missing persons? iFamilia, Search Familia, DNA Familia, or eFamilia? Definitely you got your answer. Yes, the right answer is option A, iFamilia. Let's move to our next important question, please. India has been elected as a member of ECOSOC for 3-year terms of 2022 to 2024. What is the full form of ECOSOC? Union Nations Economic and Social Council, United National Economic and Social Council, Union Nations Economy and Social Council, or United Nations Economic and Social Council? Yes, probably you have picked the right answer. The right answer is option D. Let's move to our next important question, please. When World Day Against Child Labor is celebrated? 10th June, 11th June, 12th June, or 13th June? Yes, you have probably picked the right answer. The right answer is 12th June. Let's have our next most important question, please. Where the 31st edition of Indo-Thai Corpat started? China Sea, Andaman Sea, Thailand Sea, or Arabian Sea? Definitely you have picked the right answer. The right answer is option B, Andaman Sea. Let's have our next important question, please. Which former Indian cricketer launched cricket coaching website Crickguru? VVS Laxman, Rahul Dravid, Harbhajan Singh, or Virender Sehwag? Definitely you have answered correctly. Yes, the answer is option D, Virender Sehwag. Let's move to our next important question, please. Who has been reappointed as part-time chairman of ICICI Bank? Atul Hansraj, Vivek Malhotra, GC Chaturvedi, or Anupama Batra? Definitely you have picked your right answer. The right answer is option C, Girish Chandra Chaturvedi. Let's move to our next important question, please. Who will be the match referee for World Test Championship final? Chris Broad, Arvind De Silva, Courtney Walls, or Mark Greatbatch? Probably you have picked your answer. The right answer is option A, Chris Broad. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which national park became the 7th national park of Assam? Kaziranga National Park, Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, Dibru Saikhowa National Park, or Manas National Park? I think you got the right answer. The right answer is option B, Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. Let's move to our next important question, please. Who received PEN Painter Prize 2021? Ceci Dangaremga, Linton Kelsey Johnson, Lem Sisse, or Michael Longley? The right answer is option A, Ceci Damgaranga. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which among below became the ICC's official partner till 2023? Airtel, PhonePe, Byju's, or BharatPe? Definitely you have picked the right answer. Yes, the right answer is option D, BharatPe. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which RBI Deputy Governor's term extended for next 2 years? Ravi Shankar, Mahesh Kumar Jain, M. Rajeswar Rao, or Michael Patra? Definitely you have picked your right answer. Yes, the right answer is option B, Mahesh Kumar Jain. Let's move to our next important question, please. Who has been appointed as Grievance Officer India of Facebook? Selena Augusti, Sporty Priya, Pavitra Mitra, or Prashant Rajdan? Probably you have picked your right answer. The right answer is option B, Sporty Priya. Let's move to our next important question, please. What was the first movie directed by veteran director Buddhadev Dasgupta? Tahader Kotha, Duratto, Bag Bahadur, or Kalpurus? Definitely you have picked your right answer. The right answer is option B, Duratto. Let's move to next, please. This is a weekly booster from now onwards. The question of the day. What was the first Hindi film directed by recently passed away veteran director Buddhadev Dasgupta? Please comment your answer in our comment box. Thank you for watching till end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please attempt our current affairs test series, current affairs quiz for your revision purposes. The link is in our description box. Please do subscribe, like, and share with your acquaintances. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates. Till our next video, do take care of yourself and have a great day ahead. Thank you once again.